It might take some time before we can go back to living our life the way we used to before the arrival of COVID-19. Here are some recommendations you might like to consider when you are at your workplace. When you go back to work, try and adjust your start time so that you can start work when there are fewer people in the office or workplace. When you arrive at work, wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds. Do not shake hands with your colleagues. Instead, opt for a non-contact gesture, such as a thumbs up. Try to maintain distance at all times with your colleagues. If this is not possible due to the type of work you do, then your employer should have in place extra safety measures to maintain your safety. For example, if you work in a factory, you might be given PPE to protect yourself further. Try not to open or close doors directly with your hands. For example, wear gloves or use your arm to push open the door. Make it a habit to clean your work area and desk, telephone, computer and mouse and keyboard with antibacterial or alcohol wipes on a daily basis before you sit down to start work. Any fabric office chairs can be disinfected with upholstery antibacterial spray. Consider wearing a mask and gloves if you feel necessary. If your job is customer-facing, then it is advised that you wear gloves at all times and disinfect your gloves after every customer interaction. If your job involves preparing food for customers, then wear a mask as well as gloves. If you use the office kitchen or any other communal area for lunch or coffee, make sure you wash up your items and utensils with soap and water and clean any surfaces you used before you leave. Try and keep your tea/coffee mug with you after washing at your desk so you can keep using the same one. Do not share stationery with colleagues and disinfect your pens or pencils daily if possible. When using the toilets, disinfect the taps and toilet seat before use. If possible, try and work some days from home as this will reduce your exposure to a busy workplace. After work, wash your work clothes daily using laundry disinfectant and detergent.